This is PCBros' best-selling game PC, our professional streamer, and it most recently got an update to our staple lineup. And in today's video, we're going to be going over the quick rundown on your upgrade options, the pricing, and just overall value proposition for this PC and why you should consider it. So the two main updates we've done for our professional streamer PC is one, the case. This case is the Lee Vector V100R Mini. It has a lot of really nice features and updates, and I think it's definitely a big improvement from the last case we were running with. This one has 4 ARGB fans pre-installed. The 3 on the right side are reverse blades, so they're pulling in fresh air for you while also looking good while doing so because they're reverse blade. You also have the extra exhaust fan on the back. It has large support for 360mm AIOs. We have a 240 equipped with the system, which is plenty enough for our Ryzen 5 CPU. And then it has a lot of room for a graphics card as well. So you can fit up to really big, beefy graphics cards with an included support bracket to keep it nice and straight for you, so you don't have any GPU sag over the course of the time while you own your PC. So it's definitely a nice upgrade in terms of our case option. It even has like a really nice ARGB strip down the side and a slanted tempered glass side panel, which I think is a really cool design. Just an overall nice case for the price that we're bringing to you guys for our most top of the line PC that we offer, and I think it really separates this PC from the others. The second update that we've done has been our graphics card selection. Now, previously we had the 5070 Ti as an upgrade option for this PC, but with how expensive those cards have gotten and the inability to actually purchase them, we actually decided to move over to 2 more GPU options, so we have a total of 3 selections for this PC now. We have the starter, which is the RX 9070, which has been in this PC for a while now. Ever since that card came out, it's been amazing, and we've always had this as an option for this PC. And then our 2 new GPU options for this system are the RTX 5070 and the RX 9070 XT. Both fantastic 1440p GPUs at different price points that are going to give you a little bit more performance for your money. Your starting price will actually come with the RTX 5070 at $1,825, and at the $1,825 price point, the RTX 5070 is still a really fantastic GPU for this build. You have plenty of 1440p performance, and you have NVIDIA's built-in NVENC encoder, really nice streaming and DLSS quality, so you can still game very comfortably and multitask while doing so while streaming or anything like that with this GPU. And it's a really nice addition and even gets you a more cost-effective way to get into our best PC. You also have the RX 9070 as that secondary option for an additional $25, bringing the base total to $1,850. And this is still a fantastic card, again, for 1440p gaming and streaming. And these most recent cards have been a really good improvement in terms of the streaming and just overall work productivity environment. They definitely upped their game in that sense. And that's why we have the base option as the 9070. But if you're looking just for a little more frames and a little more performance and the best offering from the modern day AMD GPU, the RX 9070 XT is our last and most expensive upgrade option, coming in at an additional $150. Now, this is still a fantastic upgrade. This is actually the GPU that I run on my own PC, and it's definitely a really high-end, nice performing GPU from AMD that you can expect high refresh rate 1440p gaming out of. You also have storage upgrade options. So our stock 1TB in this PC for that normal price is included for 1TB Gen 4 NVMe, but you can definitely upgrade to a 2TB option if you want the extra storage and extra headroom to store a little extra games if you do so desire. And for the remaining specs, the only things that aren't changing are the Ryzen 5 9600X. That's our tried and true and one of our favorite CPUs that we use on a daily basis. Fantastic processor for the price, and it's really all you need to get into gaming and even some multitasking and streaming here and there. 6 cores and 12 threads and plenty of performance to match up with even our nicest GPU option in this build, and it's a really well-rated CPU. We also have a nice, respectable B650 motherboard, and of course our 32GB of DDR5 RAM. With how RAM pricing is right now, we can't guarantee that you're gonna get RGB, but sometimes if we can find them in stock, we will add that into your system. This one has nice Corsair RAM that is black in the system, and it still looks really solid while doing so. And to power any and all of your GPU options in the system, we have a 750 watt 80+ gold fully modular power supply behind, so you have no problems powering all the devices and potentially even upgrading that CPU down the road if you do so desire and you want a little more performance out of it. But that's pretty much the whole rundown of our professional streamer PC. Let's talk about some benchmarks. For our base RX 9070 option and 1440p on the highest settings possible on games like Black Ops 6, you can easily expect around 130 FPS, and that's without upscaling as well. Games like Cyberpunk and 1440p on ultra settings as well, you can expect around 130 FPS on the 9070, and stretching the 9070's legs a little more, you can even get up to around 220 FPS on Black Myth Wukong and high settings in 1440p with the 9070. This just goes to show that even with your base option of the 9070, you can push out a ton of frame rates in pretty much all your demanding games. Even more easier to run in games like Fortnite, Counter-Strike, Valorant, the games like those will run no problem at max settings, hitting high refresh rates in this PC. The same can be said about the 5070 option. The 5070 and RX 9070 are very similar in terms of performance, with the 9070 being just a hair bit more expensive and a little better. But again, you're going to be getting around 120 to 130 FPS in your more demanding titles like AAAs, and then on your easier to run games, the 5070 will have no problems running over 200 FPS easily and smoothly. It just comes down to if you're someone who prefers having an NVIDIA GPU versus an AMD, and if you really care about which one or the other. If you care about the NVIDIA, you can save 25 bucks. And for your 9070 XT upgrade option for benchmarks in 1440p, you can see Battlefield 6 running around 160 FPS with no upscaling, which is fantastic. Rainbow Six Siege X, a more competitive title, you're getting an average of around 487 FPS, and even more demanding games like Silent Hill F running around 160 plus FPS with a bit of upscaling. And for 3D Mark Time Spy, you can expect a score of around 23,000 with that 9070 XT upgrade option, so a really solid score for a higher end PC like this. And these benchmarks do kind of go to show that no matter what option you pick for a professional streamer, you're gonna have a really good and easy time playing any game you throw at it. So that's gonna cover our 2026 update to our professional streamer PC. If you guys do wanna check out a little bit more about our PCBros custom gaming PCs, check them out in the links in the description down below. And just a friendly reminder, all of our PCs come with updates done, drivers done, Windows 11 Pro activated and installed, along with a full round of testing to make sure your PC is running nice and smooth when you get it home. Our stable PCs like this one also come with free shipping, so you don't have to pay for that extra packaging material and the money to get it out to you guys, so it's some added value as well. And they also come with a 1-year warranty in parts and labor, so you're pretty much covered there with all peace of mind, knowing you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching to the end of this video if you did, and if you have any other questions, drop them down in the comments below. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.